Never store your API keys openly because you may lose all your data. Someone may steal your data. For example, when you create AI agents using n8n platform, you need to store your API keys within a credential. Let me show you. For example, this is my n8n workflow. If I open this node, you can see that my API key is exposed because when I download this template, when I download this workflow, if I open it with a text editor, if I go below, I can see my API key here. You see, it's open in a text format, and anyone can steal this key and get access to your data. So what can you do to secure that information? It's very easy. You just open the node again, and instead of putting your key here, you need to put it here. Let me show you. In authentication, choose generic credential type, then choose header authentication. It depends, of course, on which system you're integrating to. In my case, I'm integrating with ManyChat CRM, and they work with header API key. So here, I already have this header, but I will create one for you to demonstrate. I will copy paste this key and then click here, create new credential, and here you need to put the name of your header. In my case, it's authorization, and then the value should be your API key. You see, it's hidden, and I save it, and I remove this key from here. And that's it. Now, when you download your workflow and open it using a text editor, you will not see the API key exposed anymore. You will see this authentication credential. It has some ID. It's a system ID. It doesn't show any API key. It's not exposed. No one can see your API key. So always store your API keys, passwords in a credential, not in some headers or JSON body or something like that. So that's it, a quick tip, because sometimes you will not know. Maybe during development you may think, oh, I don't need credentials. I will put it into JSON body. I will change later, but that change later may not happen. You may forget. Maybe in the future you will download this template and send to someone or something like that, and in that storage place where you store that file, someone may get access to that file and may read your API key. So always be safe and store your API keys in a header, in a credential, in an n8n platform. That's it. A quick tip. Thanks for watching.